the wonderful and beautiful Korea. But in this video, we are specifically talking about Gyeonggi-do. Join me, JRE, as I explore Gyeonggi-do through my point of view, through my camera point of view, and my special guest point of view. What's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're at Gyeonggi Suwon Hwasong Fortress. Now, what I'm about to do is just explore it with you, and hopefully I can take you with me. So come along and let's go check it out, shall we? Alright, y'all, that was Gyeonggi-do Suwon Hwasong Fortress. We just walked around, explored the place, and you saw a little bit of it as well. Hopefully you enjoyed that. And it's about like lunchtime right now, so I'm about to go get something to eat. How about some kalbi maybe? Let's come through, right? Let's go. So right now we're at Nagwan Galbi. We're about to get some Korean barbecue, and I'm super hungry, so let's get to eating, shall we? Let's go. So this is Gyeonggi Suwon's local currency, which helps local businesses, and we're going to be using this to pay for our meal. So let's go. All right. All right. 수고하세요. So right now we are at Gyeonggi Anyang Art Park, which obviously it's a park with beautiful trails and a bit of hiking, but also beautiful art as well. So let's check out the art, just like the one right behind me. Let's go check out the rest, and let's go. Yo, to be honest, I feel like I'm on top of the world after this little climb up here on this art right here. This is actually an art, but that's it for Gyeonggi Anyang Art Park. And now, next up, I feel like, you know, I have to get some gifts for my family, so we're gonna go to Starfield Mall and go a little shopping, so let's go. So right now we're in Gyeonggi Hanam, basically Starfield Mall. This is it right here, right behind me. We're gonna do some little bit of shopping, a little bit of exploring, and yeah, let's get to it, shall we? Well, that's the end of my trip to Gyeonggi Hanam at Starfield Mall. Got a few gifts for my friends, you know, gotta give them, you know, they asked for it, I'm a good friend, you know what I'm saying? But this also concludes my trip to Gyeonggi-do. I got to learn the art, the people, the culture, and definitely will be back. So hopefully I get to see you there. Yeah. All right, this concludes my video. I'm JRE. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.